So the last category of gadgets in iGoogle is politics. So obviously these are all going to be about politics, and there's a lot of fun stuff in here too. It's not just political news, but there's going to be a lot of political news as well. So we've got news stories from the Drudge Report, Bushisms, Jon Stewart quote of the day, so some fun stuff. News from Washington Post, Democracy Now!, CNN.com, the politics section. So very similar to our news category, but specific to politics on the most part. Some other ones here, White House News, CNN Political Tracker. Let's see what that one is. So let's look at some of these gadgets that we added. And just like I said, very similar to all our news gadgets, almost have this same setup where you can read the headline, and then you can get a little snippet of the news story, and this links to the actual news story. So that's our CNN Political Tracker. Got White House News, some more politics news, specific to the Washington Post politics, our Drudge Report, and then some of our fun stuff, Bushisms, and our Jon Stewart quote of the day. This one even has a video tab, so that's pretty cool. A link to a Jon Stewart video. Can't quite see it all, but you get the idea. So those are some of the politics gadgets that you can add to your iGoogle homepage.